This video demonstrates how you can change the color of Excel Worksheet Tabs by voice, using DragonSpeechTips Work and Study Bundle. Wake up. Change tab color to yellow. Next sheet. Tab color red. Tab color teal. Change tab color to purple. Next sheet. Remove the tab color. Previous sheet. Go to sleep. DragonSpeechTips Work and Study Bundle adds thousands of advanced voice commands for Microsoft Office applications, popular web browsers and Google Workspace applications. Perform advanced application functions by voice. Save yourself valuable time and reduce mouse and keyboard fatigue.